Here's some timekeeping devices trivia. Subscribe. Which timekeeping device uses a pendulum? Is it A, pendulum clock, B, sand timer, C, digital clock, or D, hourglass? The correct answer is A, pendulum clock. Which instrument is used to measure short time intervals? Is it A, barometer, B, sundial, C, hourglass, or D, chronometer? The correct answer is D, chronometer. What ancient device uses shadow to tell time? Is it A, hourglass, B, astrolabe, C, water clock, or D, sundial? The correct answer is D, sundial. Which timekeeping device operates on batteries? Is it A, sundial, B, hourglass, C, quartz clock, or D, mechanical clock? The correct answer is C, quartz clock. Which device uses vibrations of quartz crystals? Is it A, wind-up toy, B, quartz timepiece, C, mechanical watch, or D, digital clock? The correct answer is B, quartz timepiece. Which type of clock is operated by water? Is it A, water clock, B, digital clock, C, sand timer, or D, mechanical clock? The correct answer is A, water clock. What measures time based on the Earth's rotation? Is it A, daylight saving time, B, atomic clocks, C, lunar cycles, or D, standard time? The correct answer is D, standard time. Which timekeeping method is based on lunar cycles? Is it A, solar calendar, B, Gregorian calendar, C, lunar calendar, or D, atomic clock? The correct answer is C, lunar calendar. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.